Hey guys, thanks for stopping by our channel. If you're going to Bangkok and you don't know what to see, what to eat, what to do, where to go, then we wanted to share some of our favorite things about Bangkok.
Yeah, we were there for over 2 weeks, enough time to really get to know our street food vendors, to try some really great seafood, and even take a cooking class. So let's dive in.
We're here at the Chatuchak. I just totally butchered that name. But we're here at the JJ Market, and there's like 15,000 vendors and so many sections and so many rows of places to get goods.
Everything.
Yeah, from like a foot massage to food to clothes and purses.
Elephant pants. Elephant everything, actually.
Yeah.
Elephant
Elephant bags. So definitely come out here when you come to Bangkok. It's really great to get some shopping done, some discounts, and yeah, it's crazy.
We're here at Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, and it's just a beautiful temple with all these mosaics, little pieces of porcelain made. It's symmetric and it's just stunning. You have to see it for yourself.
Hey guys, so we're here in Chinatown in Bangkok, and it's definitely a place to come check out if you're ready to grub, if you're hungry and you want that lively Chinatown atmosphere. This is the place to go. Come check it out. There's lots of things to see and lots of things to eat. Some interesting and some delicious. Alright, so we just got done with our cooking class here. It's one of our favorite things to do here in Bangkok is to just really learn some new dishes. We learned a lot of foods from like
Pad Thai, tom yum soup, and mango sticky rice, and curry. We made a curry paste from scratch.
We made our own coconut milk and coconut cream. It was a really good cooking class. Silom cooking class. Yeah, definitely something to do here. One of our favorite places in Bangkok, which is super loud right now, is Lexie Food. The seafood's always fresh. We've been there twice since we've been here, and man, you have to come here when you're in Bangkok. Check it out.
Have to.
One of the best ways to enjoy Bangkok is street food. Like, you really should get to know the area you're staying at so you can partake in like all this good street food they have, from fish balls on a skewer to grilled chicken and grilled meats, and we have a corn lady, we've got a salad man, we've got a green onion pancake guy. Definitely get your street food on. Woo!
And that's it for our favorites. Thanks for sticking around. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, share it with your adventure buddies.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And we hope to see you on our next adventure. Bye.